Hey there, tech lovers! We got some exciting news about the highly anticipated budget-friendly iPhone, the SE4. Apple is making bold moves with the SE series, revamping everything from its design to its hardware. In this video, we'll delve into the top features of the iPhone SE4. Will Apple's changes live up to the hype, or is it just another marketing ploy? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the heart of the iPhone SE4, the CPU. The iPhone SE4 will be powered by the upgraded Bionic A16 CPU, which remains a beast of a processor in 2024. This powerhouse CPU, which also drives the iPhone 14 series, ensures smooth performance with no hiccups. So in terms of processing power, the iPhone SE4 is set to impress. Next, let's look at some of the standout features. The iPhone SE4 will inherit the new action button from the iPhone 15 series. This addition is a brilliant move by Apple, especially in a compact phone like the SE4. The action button's versatility will undoubtedly be a hit among users, providing easy access to various functions with just a tap. Speaking of compactness, the iPhone SE4 will boast a 6.1-inch display, a significant upgrade from the iPhone Southeast 5G's 4.7-inch screen with a home button. This new display, manufactured by BOE, promises to deliver stunning visuals and a more immersive viewing experience. On to memory and storage, the iPhone SE4 is set to come with a major RAM boost. Leaks suggest it will feature 6 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, a step up from the current Southeast's 4 GB. This means faster multitasking and a smoother user experience. As for storage, you'll have options between 128 GB and 512 GB, addressing the need for more space compared to the 64 GB starting point of the current iPhone Southeast 2022. However, the absence of a 256 GB model is intriguing, and we're curious to see how the pricing will play out between the two available options. Now let's discuss the camera. The iPhone SE4 is rumored to support 1080p cinematic mode, thanks to its single 48MP camera. While the current iPhone SE can't achieve this, other iPhones utilize both main and ultra-wide cameras for this feature. It's anticipated that new techniques and AI enhancements will be employed, making this feature a highlight of iOS 18. Additionally, the iPhone SE4 is expected to include Smart HDR, AF photography, and portrait mode, although night mode appears to be absent for some reason. Overall, the iPhone SE4 is undergoing a comprehensive transformation in both design and hardware, which is incredibly exciting. As for the launch date, it remains a mystery. Some reports suggest a release in 2025, while others hint at a sooner launch based on various leaks. It's possible that the SE4 could debut later this year. Stay tuned to this channel for the latest updates on the exact release date. Let me know your thoughts on the iPhone SE4 in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.